Here's a delicious recipe for Hyderabadi chicken biryani. Ingredients. For the chicken marinade, 500 grams chicken cut into pieces, bone-in preferred, 1 cup yogurt, 2 large onions thinly sliced, 2 to 3 green chilies slit, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, half a cup fresh coriander leaves chopped, half a cup fresh mint leaves chopped, salt to taste. For the rice, 2 cups basmati rice, 4 cups water, 2 to 3 green cardamom pods, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 to 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, salt to taste. For assembling, you'll need 1/4 cup of ghee or oil. You can also use 1/4 cup of fried onions if you like for garnish. And don't forget to have some extra mint and coriander leaves for that final touch. Now let's move on to the instructions. Step 1. Marinate the chicken. In a large bowl, mix yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, lemon juice, green chilies, chopped mint, and coriander. Add salt to taste. Next, add the chicken pieces to the marinade, making sure they are well coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or if you have the time, preferably overnight. Step 2. Prepare the rice first. Rinse the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Soak it in water for about 30 minutes, then drain it. Next, in a large pot, bring 4 cups of water to a boil. Add the cardamom, cloves, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, and a pinch of salt. Now, add the soaked rice and cook until it's about 70% done. The rice should still have a bit of a bite to it. Once that's done, drain it and set it aside. Step 3. Cook the chicken. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven, heat ghee or oil over medium heat. Add the sliced onions and sauté until they are golden brown. Next, add the marinated chicken to the pot. Cook until the chicken is browned and cooked through, which should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Step 4. Layer the biryani. Once the chicken is cooked, layer the partially cooked rice over the chicken in the pot. Sprinkle fried onions, extra mint, and coriander over the top. Drizzle a little more ghee on top if desired. Step 5. Dum cooking or slow cooking. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid. You can seal the edges with dough or a cloth to trap the steam. Cook on a low flame for 20 to 30 minutes. Alternatively, you can place a heavy pan or tawa, which is a griddle, under the pot and cook for the same duration to avoid direct heat. Step 6. Serve. Gently fluff the biryani with a fork before serving. Serve hot with raita, which is a yogurt sauce, and salad. Enjoy your homemade Hyderabadi chicken biryani.